news.
Yes, the news. Yes, for TV Patrol and TV5. Yes. Nako, Miss Hilda, grabe, sobrang ganda mo. First time ka namin interview na. I mean, we see you, of course, in these events, but, talking to you, wow, a breath of fresh air. Good thing you did Sisa.
Yes, of course. I'm very lucky, very blessed to have this project. I'm happy.
And ano po yung because they were saying talagang tedious yung yung taping conditions. You were in the mountains, I heard. Can you walk us through it?
It was very hot, and at first we had the entire set was built sa Tanay, but then it kept raining that whole of December, so we got pushed to January. And ginawa uli namin sa Tarlac, lahat binuild namin, lahat ng mga kubo ng garrison, ng chapel, the tower, etc. It's a whole community. Kumbaga yung concentration doon ginawa doon. Mainit, tapos nakawig, tapos yung costume namin makati kasi original yung mga tela gusto namin parang sako talaga, nasusugatan yung mga binti mo, tapos naglalakad ako barefoot, may mga tain ng kalabaw at ang daming ng baka, and then ang daming talahib.
Hindi mo ininda ang poop, ang manure, ang tae.
Kasi kailangan wag nalang matapakan, bahala na.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, but ever since you were like that, you're in it to win it from Insyang. I mean, the list goes on.
Kung saan kami nandun.
Doing this in 2026, this tedious of a role, kamusta? Like,
I mean, mahirap yung occasion, but I love the role, so I don't care. It was worth it as far as I'm concerned.
sino si Sisa na makikilala namin through you?
Si Sisa dito, I feel is symbolic of what was happening in the country at that time in 1902 during the Philippine-American War. She's brave, she's resilient, she's the epitome of resistance. Palaban siya talaga.
And you will be with of course, equally strong cast. Eugene
Oh yeah, we have
Domingo.
Eugene,
Yung
Jenica.
kamusta?
Ang galing ng buong cast namin. Mahusay silang lahat. It made the film, lahat kami. Di lang ako.
Actually, yung sinabi mo times before, parang ganun pa rin nangyayari ngayon. Ang dami pa rin naaabuso.
Oh, yan naman. Parang walang pagbabago. And we've had war since time immemorial, and we've always been occupied from the Spaniards to the Americans. And then, of course, World War II, we have the Japanese. Parang kawawa naman tayo lagi na lang.
Yeah, that's pero dito ano pong gusto niyo talagang take away ng audience mo pag napanood natin ang Sisa?
Gusto kong mapag-isipan nila kung ano mang nangyayari sa mundo ngayon, hindi lang noon. Na relevant pa rin, and then war is everywhere and war is hell. But the women in this film are very strong, especially Sisa, and she was the embodiment really of bravery, and she was resisting. She wanted to deal the Americans, the oppressors, a big blow. So, palaban po tayo. Kailangan ganun din tayo ngayon, hindi lang noon. Sayang naman ang ating country, lagi na lang tayo na-occupy. And pag-iisipan natin ang mga desisyon natin sa mga ibinoboto natin, sa mga nangyayari sa ating country. Because the Philippines is a beautiful country.
Saan ka pinaka nagngingit-ngit ngayon, Miss Hilda?
Siyempre, yung mga nangyayari dito na corruption, nakakaawa mga Pilipino. Parang konti lang ang nagiging mayaman, pero hindi natin mahila yung mga mahihirap. Sana naman pagbigyan nila yung ating mga kababayan na hirap. So kaya tuwang-tuwa po kami dahil mga distributors namin, binapaan po nila yung presyo para makapanood naman po lahat, ma-enjoy niyo yung thriller na pelikula namin, which is, ang point din namin ma-enjoy niyo yung pelikula, but at the same time, it's thought-provoking. Makapag-isip kayo about gender, about oppression, about a lot of things.
Natuwa ka ba? Dahil nagka-talkback po kayo nung Monday, mga bata nanonood. I mean, there are new eyes through this.
I want them to see and understand that a lot of things that were taught sa Philippine history natin were really glossed over.
Okay.
So dito medyo hihimayin namin ng marami kung ano yung mga nangyari noon.
Sorry to cut you there. May na-shock ka ba na nangyari sa history noon na sa books iba? Pwede ba?
Like hindi ko alam, natutunan ko dito sa film na to na may mga concentration camps pala tayo. Because when you think about concentration camps, you're thinking about now. What's happening in other countries. I won't mention it na lang, but hindi ko alam na nung araw ganun pala noon. Yeah, well, or the Middle East or Africa or things like that. But yung pala, meron din pala tayo noon. Tsaka ang daming Pilipinong namatay noon. They were tortured, they were hanged, they were burned, like what happened to Sisa, yung buong pamilya niya was decimated. So, ang dami nating hindi pinag-aralan, ng mga pinag-aaralan yung mga treatises, yung mga tinulong nila sa atin, mga infrastructure, so on and so forth. Pero yung mga masasamang bagay na more than 1 million Filipinos died. You know,
Grabe.
because yung mga nationalist, talagang pag nahuli ka, tinotorture ka. Talagang binibitay ka. So, hindi natin to napag-aaralan. And I want the younger generation to look at our history in a different matter. So, hihimayin namin to sa pelikulang to. By the same token, ma-enjoy din yun because it's a thriller.
Wow. And ngayon po, kamusta naman kayo, Miss Hilda? What's your day-to-day like? Ano pinagkakaabalahan mo pag hindi ka umaarte?
Nagpo-promo.
Pag hindi ka nag-promo, ano ginagawa mo? Nasaan ka?
Tahimik lang ako. Tahimik
Talaga?
lang. Yeah, I'm very quiet. I like to stay in the house.
What do you watch? What are you watching right now? Ano yung mga
I read more than watch.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah,
What are
I
you
just
reading?
read. A lot of thrillers, no romantic things.
Bakit?
Wala lang. Parang hindi ako naiyak.
Bakit? Nako, I'm sure by now, ang dami pa rin nakapila.
Never mind, I don't care. Tapos na ako
gusto
doon.
ko yun. At
Tapos na.
never say never.
Ay, hindi, never. Ayoko na.
Ay, gusto ko yun. Never
I'm
hear yun.
done.
Why? Galit ka ba sa boys? Hindi.
Ay, hindi. I love boys. Don't get me wrong.
Okay.
But after so many husbands, I'm done.
Napagod ka sa kanila.
Pagod na ako. Ayoko na magluto uli.
I love it.
Diba? Parang yung role na yan, magluluto ka, pag grocery ako, magplansya ako, tama na yon. This is my time.
Ay, I love it. Self-love.
Self-love.
Ano kasi sabihin sa mga iniidolo kayo pagdating sa pagiging isang kalaban na babae at sa mga pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon? Of
Ay,
course.
kahit anong pagdaanan ninyo, the women can do anything, especially now. Hindi katulad nung araw na medyo mahirap pa para sa atin. We're always background or quiet or housewife or tahimik ka lang dyan. Ay, hindi na. Palaban na mga babae. Iba na. Presidente. We had a president na babae. Ang daming prime minister na babae. I mean, iba na ngayon ang mga babae. Palaban na kami.
Thank you. Thank you.
They can do anything. Women can do anything.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you.
po.
Ako yung may konting question.